today's video we will see how to fix the on kids tablet not connecting to Wi-Fi, network troubleshooting and reset guide. So fix 1, ensure Wi-Fi is enabled. So the step 1, open the settings app on your on kids tablet. Then tap network and internet or Wi-Fi. Then check that the Wi-Fi toggle is turned on. Now wait a few seconds for available networks to appear. Then select your Wi-Fi network. Fix 2, reboot your router. So unplug the router power cable from the wall outlet. Wait for 30 seconds. Plug the router back in and allow it to fully restart. Once the Wi-Fi network is available again, try connecting the tablet. Fix 3, restart the tablet. Press and hold the power button. Tap restart or reboot when the menu appears. Wait for the tablet to restart completely. Then open Wi-Fi settings and attempt to connect again. Fix 4, reset network preferences. So step 1, open settings on your tablet. Go to system and reset. Now select reset or Wi-Fi mobile or Bluetooth or reset network setting. Now tap reset settings and confirm the action. Then reconnect your Wi-Fi network by entering the password again. Fix 5, forget and reconnect to the network. So open the settings, then go to Wi-Fi. Now tap the Wi-Fi network you are trying to use, then select forget network and wait a few seconds, then select the network again and enter the correct Wi-Fi password and tap connect. Goodbye.